Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I was asked about analyzing Mara stock. Mara stock is sitting here nice and cheap and discounted under $10. Every time it's come down under $10, as you can see, historically speaking, every single dip under $10. Rallied here to 20, came down as low as $3, rallied to 19, as low as $7, rallied to 33, came down under $10 here recently, as low as 6.70, rallied to 16. So, what do you want me to say to you? This is looking like another opportunity to buy under 10 and accumulate for the inevitable move back higher, unless you believe that Bitcoin itself is going to go absolutely to zero. We go to the yearly time frame, and you can see it's just sideways action after sideways action after sideways action. It's been sideways since 2017. So if you know how to trade a range, it's a classic buy under a certain level and then take profit when it goes above that level. In this case, that level is 10. Let's go to the quarterly time frame. Quarterly time frame, it's a lot more clear what's happening here. Man, oh man, does this thing love to go under 10, and it's always getting that big bounce up. It always looks terrible when it's going lower and lower and lower, but then eventually goes higher. Monthly time frame, this month so far has been red, doesn't look good. It's been 17 days into this month, and it's been selling off, and that's okay. Again, you need to sell off to get these opportunities nice and cheap. If you want to wait and see if it comes down to $9, oh, it's already not $9, not $9, $7.50, $7.50 to $8. See if it comes down there, because that's a big support level, horizontal support level. Let me move this down. Let me grab this line right there. Bam. So that's if you want to wait and start accumulating there to see if it comes down that low. Weekly time frame, it shows is this a bullish pattern? Yeah, it shows a bullish falling wedge. So if it's going to play out the wedge, again, maybe it'll come down as low as 6. We'll see. But while it's under 10 and you just don't want to think about it, just dollar cost average, buy under 10, sell at 15 to 20, take your 50 to 100%, rinse and repeat. There's really, it's that simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. Daily time frame, we don't even, the daily time frame doesn't matter. Relative to the bigger time frames that I just showed you, the daily time frame looks like noise. So I say after that huge run up to $16 from a low of 7, get ready to start accumulating. Get yourself, it's kind of like a SoundHound kind of play. It goes up a lot, then it comes down nice and cheap under 10, kind of just does nothing at around and under 10, and then it goes back up eventually at some point. So, classic, buy cheap, sell expensive, bag yourself some sucker who chases high, make your money, rinse and repeat. That is it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. I will see you in the next one.